beautiful people of the world, do I have a treat for you. Tomorrow at my show, the 19th of August, 2012, I present to the beautiful ones, Miss Quote. Holla, 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 holla. She is phenomenal. Phenomenal. You hear me? She is a singer, songwriter, actress, activist, and of course, spoken word artist extraordinaire. If I do say so myself, I love Miss Quote. She hails from Jamaica, but now currently resides in Southern California, is well-traveled. In fact, right now she's in New York recording her new album. So she'll be calling in from New York to the show tomorrow. I'm thrilled. She is delicious. You feel me? She is delicious. I adore her. I've never seen her perform without everybody in the room giving a standing ovation. She is good at what she does, and I respect her, and I enjoy her, and I am going to celebrate her tomorrow at www.blogtalkradio.com/Epiphany's House, where artists always meet, of course. 12 Pacific, 2 Central, 3 Eastern. Call in or log in. The call-in number, of course, is 914-338-1801. You're gonna like it. And guess what? Open mic, if you dare. Yep. Second half of the show, I'm gonna do a little open mic, and Miss Quote is gonna be on the line to hear. So bring your shit. You ready? I am. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. As always, I thank you for riding with me, and I wish you much love, peace, and paradise. I say namaste as always. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.